How to recover deleted notes on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted notes on iPhone. So if you have accidentally deleted a note on your iPhone, then no worries. There are two ways to recover it, and I'll walk you through both. But first, take a second to hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first method is within the apps. So if you have recently deleted a note by swiping left and tapping delete, you can still get it back within 30 days. Just tap on folders in the top left corner and then go to the recently deleted. And from there simply tap on edit and select the note that you want to recover and simply hit move and choose a folder to restore it. And now with this, let's move forward to the second method. So now, if you don't see your note in the app, simply try checking iCloud. To do that, simply open a web browser and go to iCloud.com and then log in to your Apple ID. Now, from there, simply tap on the Notes app and navigate back to the main menu. And simply open the recently deleted folder, and if the note is there, simply tap on it and hit recover. But keep in mind that iCloud might still have the deleted note even if it's no longer on your iPhone. But if it's past the 30-day window, too, it's likely gone for good, and that's all there is to it. With this, I hope this video helped you out. But if it did, then hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.